elder energy. See? Cancer is the sign of the ancestors. That means it's time to fulfill the character and the values of our ancestors, you see, because Capricorn is the sign of character, it's the sign of integrity. And as we balance Cancer with Capricorn, it's now, that's how we fulfill, stepping up to the characters and the values of our ancestors. They're coming to the forefront now. We've come full circle. We have had many lifetimes mastering in a purpose that we chose to contribute to this larger universal purpose, you see. And so we've had many lifetimes. And this is an infinite process of transformation, regeneration, and evolution of spiritual rulership. And whenever we get into the Aquarian age, that's the point of evolution. That means we've balanced on enough levels to evolve to a new level in the universe in our energy vibration. So we went into the Aquarian age in 2013. So this is the point. The opposite sign of Aquarius is Leo. Aquarius is the sign of evolution. It's the sign of the humanitarian. It's the sign of I know. And when we balance it with Leo, Leo is the creative ruler. So it's time to evolve a new creative rulership in the universe, coming out of the abuse of power to the humanitarian empowerment. As our ancient rulers, the ancestors, are now passing the baton to us as the new age rulers to step up to a new rulership. The powers that be, or have been, have reached the maximum of their abuse of power. That is the only sin in the spiritual reality, is the abuse of power. Spirit is opposite to physical. So where there's a multitude of sins physically, there's only one sin spiritually, and that's the abuse of power. This whole process has been an alchemical process to teach us how to use our powers righteously before we can be endowed with those powers. We had to learn how to use our powers righteously without abusing the power, because when our predecessors abused their powers, they screwed up the world, the earth. If we abuse our powers, it's going to be detrimental to the universe, you see. So all this has been an alchemical process to teach us how to step up to our powers without abusing it and being able to use it righteously.